First and foremost, I'm going to help you start a travel agency business under your own brand name. You're going to be building your own brand. Hope the above is clear. You're not taking a franchisee business of mine, but building your own brand. And you are going to be the owner of your brand. If you feel scared on how can I build a brand and how will people trust me, please do click on the button mentioning student reviews on my website page and see how all of my students who started their journey without any experience in the travel industry, who just trusted me and the process and have now confirmed tour packages, hotel bookings, flight tickets, visas, all under their own brand name. Remember one thing, just like how you are right now thinking that your contact list is not the best, it's the same mindset these students had before joining as well. But they trusted and now they've started confirming. Because the artworks that I share and the support that I give helps you look like a prominent player in front of your contact list. Remember this one important thing. Generally, people prefer to travel with a person who they know rather than confirming the tour package with some random salesperson of a brand. And this is where you could benefit from this opportunity.